student. Myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about major pest of cucurbits. Then first is major pest fruit fly. Then the scientific name Bactocera cucurbiti and Bactocera dorsalis. Bactocera cucurbiti is a melon fruit fly and Bactocera dorsalis is a oriental fruit fly. Then family Tripetidae. Then order Diptera. Economic importance. These are cosmopolitan species causing huge annual losses to several vegetable and fruit crops. More than 50% fruits are damaged by the fruit fly. Among the various species, Bactocera cucurbiti is the most common and destructive on the vegetable. The mark of identification: adult fly resemble common house fly but has conical yellowish brown abdomen and transparent wings with grey spot and bands. Maggot small, directly white, legless, tapering at one end. Then host plant. Host plant almost all cucurbits. Then mainly gourds, melon, guava, mango, pear, and other fruits. The nature of damage: maggots feed on pulp of the fruits. Infested fruits start rotting and render them unfit to human consumption. Then life cycle. The female 200 laid just under the skin epidermis of the fruits. In total incubation period is 3 to 5 days. Then larval period is 2 to 3 weeks. Then pupation in the soil and total pupation period 8 to 10 days. These species breed almost throughout the year except winter, during which they hibernation as pupa or adult. Then during rainy season, the activity of melon fruit fly it is at its peak, while heavy rain stop breeding of fruit fly. Then management practices: clean cultivation, removal and destruction of fallen fruits and infested fruits daily to minimize the intensity. Then use of rucksack trap with methyl eugenol as attract. Then deep flowing to expose hibernating stage. The application of spray bed containing 20 ml malathion, 200 gram jaggery and plus 20 liter of water. Then spray with malathion and acephate. Then second major pest of cucurbits, pumpkin beetle. Then red pumpkin beetle, scientific name Rapidopalpa fovicolis, and red pumpkin beetle, Rapidopalpa intermedia. Then yellow pumpkin beetle, Ceratia sincata. Then family is a Chrysomelody. The order Coleoptera. The economic importance: the red pumpkin beetle is the most destructive species, damage the young seedling and kill the same. Then mark of identification: adults small, the elytra of red pumpkin beetles to pale orange, yellow to brown deep brown, while in case of black pumpkin beetle it is black and it is a yellowish in yellow pumpkin beetle. The grub is small, slender, elongates, creamy yellow with brown head and legs. Then host plant: all cucurbits, mainly bottle gourd, red pumpkin beetle, red pumpkin and cucumber are heavily damaged by the red pumpkin beetle. Nature of damage: beetles are mainly responsible for the damage of the plant above ground. They damage the leaves, flowers and fruits, making irregular holes and causing death or retardation of growth. Then in case of heavy infestation, resowing is also required to be done. The grub live in the soil and feed on the roots and stem of the plants. The fruits and Leaves also get damaged when comes in contact with the soil. The damaged roots start rooting. Then life cycle. Life cycle is 150 to 300 laid in a moist soil to a depth of 2.5 centimeter near the plant, and total incubation period 5 to 27 days depending on temperature, moisture content of the soil. Then larval total larval period 12 to 34 days. Pupation in soil, then total pupation 15 to 35 days. The adult live from 20 to 197 days. The life cycle complete in 52 to 270 days. The maximum activity of the pest is observed during hot weather, March-May, reaching its peak in middle of April. Then management practices. Management first is preventive measures, burning of old creepers, flogging and harrowing of field after harvest of the crop to destroy the stage of the pest. Then collection and destruction of beetle in early stage of infestation. Spray with 0.05% malathion or dusting with 5% malathion dust at the rate 10 kg per hectare. Gives satisfactory control of the pest. Then last pest is cucurbits, very major pest, harda beetle. Harda beetle scientific name Epilechella dodecastigama. Then family Coccinellidae, order Coleoptera. Economic importance is the most common and destructive species. They mark of identification. Beetles spherical, pale brown and motile with black spot. Has a 6 spot on each elytra. They are stone flyers. Then grub yellow with hair on their body. Then host plant cucurbits, brinjal, potato, tomato, etc. The nature of damage. Both grubs and beetles feed by scraping chlorophyll from epidermal layers of leaves, which get skeletonized and gradually dry away. Life cycle: eggs 120 to 180 laid in masses on ventral surface of leaves. Total incubation period 2 to 4 days. Larval period 12 to 18 days. Pupation on the leaf, and the total pupation is 30 to 6 days. Then life cycle complete in 18 to 25 days in summer and may extend up to 50 days in the winter. A number of generations is 7 per year. Then management. Then management is a hand picking of grubs and collection of beetles by hand nets during early stage of attack. Help in reducing the intensity of infestation. Then spray with 0.05% endosulfan, malathion, quinalphos. This is a major pest of cucurbits, fruit fly, harder beetle, and red pumpkin beetle. Thank you.